Welcome to Saas Pro. In today's video, we're breaking down 7 Zoom security mistakes you're probably making on PC and showing how small settings can make a big difference in keeping your meetings safe. Now, let's get started on the first one. Number 1. Automatically copy invite link to Clipboard. This setting can accidentally expose your meeting links to anyone with access to your clipboard, increasing the risk of uninvited attendees. Disabling it ensures your meetings stay private and secure. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Open the Zoom app on your PC and click on the gear icon to access settings. Step 2. In the settings menu, select Meetings and Webinars from the left-hand side. Step 3. Scroll down to the Control section and locate Automatically Copy Invite Link to Clipboard. Step 4. If the toggle is on, switch it off to prevent Zoom from automatically copying your meeting link. And that's it for the first Zoom security tip. Making this small change keeps your meeting safer and reduces the risk of unwanted guests. Stay tuned because next we'll cover another mistake you're probably making. Number 2. Disable join before. Host disabling. Join before host prevents participants from entering your meeting early, reducing the risk of uninvited guests or disruptions. This simple change greatly strengthens your overall Zoom security. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Sign into the Zoom web portal using your PC browser. Make sure you're logging in with the account hosting the meetings. Step 2. Click on Settings in the left-hand navigation menu to access your meeting options. Step 3. Go to the Meeting tab to view all available meeting settings. Step 4. Scroll down to the Schedule Meeting section to find the specific setting for joining early. Step 5. Click the toggle to turn off. Allow participants to join before host, ensuring no one can enter before you start the meeting. And that's it! By taking this simple step, your meetings stay secure, smooth, and under your control. Number 3. Restrict screen sharing options. Limiting screen sharing to the host prevents unwanted participants from sharing inappropriate or sensitive content, enhancing overall meeting security and control. This simple step keeps your meetings safe and professional. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. During an active meeting, click the up arrow next to the Share Screen button. This opens additional sharing options without interrupting your meeting. Step 2. Select Advanced Sharing Options from the menu. This is where you can control who has permission to share their screen. Step 3. Under Who Can Share, choose Host Only. This ensures only you, the host, can share your screen, preventing any unwanted interruptions. Step 4. To make this setting permanent, go to your Zoom account settings online, find the screen sharing options, and set Host Only as the default. This saves you time for future meetings. By taking control of screen sharing, you're not just securing your meeting, you're owning it like a pro. Number 4. Lock meetings after starting. Locking your Zoom meeting after it starts prevents unwanted participants from joining, even if they have the link. It's a simple but powerful way to keep your session secure. This step is often overlooked, but it's essential for protecting sensitive discussions. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Start your Zoom meeting as usual. You need to be the host to access the security settings. Step 2. Look for the security icon in the bottom toolbar and click it. This opens a menu with various host controls. Step 3. If you don't see the security icon, click on Participants instead. Then select the 3 dots labeled More to access additional options. Step 4. Click on Lock Meeting. Once locked, no one else can join even if they have the meeting ID or link. And just like that, your meeting is sealed tight. Stick around, there's more to uncover that'll keep your Zoom sessions safe and stress-free. Manage waiting room settings. The waiting room feature gives you control over who enters your Zoom meeting and when. Properly managing these settings helps prevent unauthorized access and keeps your sessions secure. It's a must-have layer of protection for any host. Here's how it's done. Step 1. Log into the Zoom web portal and click on Settings. This is where you'll find all your meeting configuration options. Step 2. click the Meeting tab to access features related to scheduling and hosting. Step 3. Scroll down to the waiting room option under the Security section. This is where you can enable or disable the feature for all meetings. Step 4. Click the toggle to turn the waiting room on or off. Enabling it ensures participants wait for your approval before joining. Step 5. Click Edit Options to decide who gets placed in the waiting room, everyone or just guests. This gives you flexibility based on your meeting type. Step 6. Click Customize Waiting Room to personalize the experience. You can change the title, add a logo, or include a description or video to greet your participants. With these settings dialed in, you're not just hosting, you're protecting. Stick around, because the next tip could be the game changer your Zoom setup needs. Number 6. Turn off virtual background sharing. Disabling virtual background sharing helps prevent inappropriate or distracting visuals from disrupting your Zoom meetings. It's a smart way to maintain professionalism and reduce potential misuse. This setting is especially important for large or public sessions. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Sign into the Zoom web portal using your account credentials. You'll need admin access to make this change. Step 2. Click on Settings in the navigation menu. This opens up your account's configuration options. Step 3. Go to the Meeting tab and scroll down to the In-Meeting Advanced section. This is where advanced features like virtual backgrounds are managed. Step 4. Find the virtual background toggle and click it to turn it off. This disables the feature for all users in your account. With virtual background sharing turned off, your meetings stay focused and distraction-free. Keep watching. There's still one more security mistake you'll want to avoid. Number 7. Enable end-to-end encryption. End-to-end encryption ensures that only the meeting participants can access the content of your Zoom calls. It adds a critical layer of privacy, especially for sensitive discussions. Without it, your data could be more vulnerable to interception. Let's do it. Step 1. Go to the Zoom web portal and log into your account. Make sure you're using an account with the necessary permissions to change security settings. Step 2. Click on Settings in the left-hand navigation menu. This opens up your account's configuration options. Step 3. Click on the Security tab to access encryption and other protection features. Step 4. Find the default encryption type section. This is where you can choose how your meetings are encrypted. Step 5. Select end-to-end encryption from the available options. This ensures your meeting data is fully protected from end to end. Step 6. Click Save to apply the changes. Your future meetings will now use the highest level of encryption available. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more smart tech tips and security fixes.